Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Right here I have the AuCuTee white noise machine, model S5. We're going to take a look and see what's in the box. You can pick this up on Amazon between $30 and $40 depending if it's on sale. But on the side it says it improves sleeping, has a shell-style bionic design. I don't know what that really means. Long battery life, timing functions, and genuine licensed music. So that's pretty much it right there. And if you've seen some of our other white noise machine reviews and demos, we love them. They're really great to have in the bedroom and everything. Help us fall asleep. So in the box we have the sleep sound therapy machine white noise machine user manual for the S5. This is the white version. And then you'll see all the different buttons. And it says it has a built-in lithium-ion battery, as well as you have the direct power input for it, so that's pretty cool. And it has 20 built-in soothing sound and sleep sound therapy machines, so it has a bunch of different sounds in it. So let's go ahead, we'll take this out right there. Anyway, this kind of looks like a little modem, almost like a router for the most part. So it has a 5-volt, looks like a USB port, headphones if you want to do headphones, which is kind of weird, on, off. And then you have your different functions on the front. Then in the box with that and nothing else, the only other two things we have here would be our power supply, which is going to convert it to the USB, and then our USB cable, and that's going to power that. So you can do that. You can charge it up, use the battery if you want to, travel with it or something, but you can always keep it plugged in as well. So we're going to go ahead, test it out, demo it, see how it works and sounds. So that you can find in our review video, but that right there is what's in the box of the AuCuTee S5 white noise machine. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.